Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see how to take project backup in SmartComm PMS. To know more about it, navigate to the path where SmartComm PMS is installed. Further navigate under iVisionMax folder, bin and click on LT Backup module. SmartComm Backup module will open. Click on three dots to select the destination folder. That folder should be outside iVisionMax. Right-click on blank space and create new folder and name it as per your need. Click on Select folder. If you want entire backup, then select Entire Backup option, but to backup the LT HIS DB, you will need admin rights. For individual backup, enter the backup name and please select the folder for which you would like to create a backup. Click on Backup. A pop-up will appear indicating that the backup has been completed. The Path console, located below the backup option, allows users to view logs during the backup process and restoring process. Now, navigate to the path where backup folder is created. Now, click on Restore to restore backup file. Click on three dots, navigate to Backup folder and please select the file named i_visionmax_backup file name. Click on Restore. Restore completed. That's all about project backup.
Thank you for watching.